Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Vision classes for IGCSE and GCSE student. We have student across more than 5-6 countries, and today we'll go through the A-level partial integration question. So it's a question from paper 3, pure May June 2010. So I hope you must have gone through the different types of partial integration question, and we have generally 5 different types of partial integration questions are there for a level. So straight away we'll move on to question number 8. So that's express 2 over x plus 1 x plus 3 in partial fraction form. Okay, and using your answer in part 1, show that 2 upon x plus 1 x plus 3 bracket square, and we have to show this part, and in a third part we have to take the integration. We'll solve first part, that is express 2 over x plus 1 x plus 3 in the partial fraction form. So partial fraction form is nothing but a over x plus 1 plus b over x plus 3, right? It's a simple form is there. So multiply this whole equation, means left hand side right hand side, by x plus 1 times x plus 3, right? So you will be having 2 on the left hand side, which is equal to a times, so here x plus 1 is there. If you multiply by this part, right, you will left with x plus 3 here plus b times x plus 1. Now put x is equal to, first of all, negative 3, then here this part will be 0. So 2 is equal to, this b part is negative, as here negative 3 positive 1, it's a negative 2b, right? So you will get b is equal to negative 1. Now put x is equal to negative 1, and here 2 is equal to, this second part means b part will be 0. So negative 1 positive 3 means it's a 2a. So a you will get just a 1. Getting it? Now put in the here in this equation, right? So it will be equal to, a is 1 over x plus 1 minus, as b is negative 1, so minus 1 over x plus 3. Getting it? So 2 over 1 upon 2 over x plus 1 and x plus 3, right? So nextly, now here some of the tips and tricks are also there for a quadratic equation and equation having more than 3 factors. If you want to learn those tips and tricks, just I have left the contact in the description box. You can contact me. We have started revision classes as well, so you can contact directly to us. Fine. Now in a second part we have to take the square. So the square of left hand side means it's a 2 upon x plus 1 x plus 3 bracket square, means it's a, you have to take the square of x plus 1 minus 1 upon x plus 3 square, right? So this is nothing but just a minus b bracket square expansion, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Getting it? Now here 1 upon means this is a and this part is b, right? So 1 upon x plus 1 bracket square, right, minus 2 upon x plus 1 and x plus 3, right, plus 1 upon x plus 3 bracket square. That is what you will get, right? Now here here you just have to separate this x plus 1 and x plus 3 by just adjusting the terms at a numerator. So look at here, I will readjust the terms here. 1 upon x plus 1 bracket square minus, now at a numerator we have a 2, right? So you can write down 2 like this, x plus 3 minus x minus 1. Okay, why we have to write down like this? Because we have to separate this x plus 1, x plus 3. Okay, that's a main reason. And we just have to readjust the terms at a numerator. So here for means when you solve this part, numerator part, ultimately you will get the 2 only. So x plus 3 and x minus 3 means it's a just a 2. Okay, so here 1 upon x plus 3 bracket square, right? Look at here. Then 1 upon x plus 1 bracket square minus, so here put the bracket in the next step, means x plus 3 minus x plus 1, right? And divided by whole divided by x plus 1 times x plus 3 plus 1 upon x plus 3 bracket square. Okay, so in a next step, actually what you need to do is that you have to divide this whole denominator to this separately, means x plus 3 divided by x plus 1, x plus 3. Okay, and again here x plus 1 divided by x plus 1, x plus 3, right? Look at here, I will do it. X plus 1 bracket square minus this bracket x plus 3 divided by x plus 1 and x plus 3 minus x plus 1 whole divided by x plus 1 and x plus 3, right? Okay, so here bracket complete and we have x plus 3 bracket square. Now, so cancel out whatever the factors cancelled here. So x plus 3 cancel out, x plus 1 cancel out, right? And we left with just a 1 upon x plus 1 bracket square minus this whole bracket 1 upon x plus 1 minus 1 upon x plus 3 bracket plus 1 upon x plus 3 bracket square, right? Now in the next step, just multiply this negative sign to the whole bracket. So we have a x plus 1 bracket square minus 1 upon x plus 1 plus 1 upon x plus 3, right? And plus at the end x plus 3 bracket square. So simply here at the end square of 2 upon x plus 1 and x plus 3, we got this part, whole part, right? 1 upon x plus 1 bracket square minus 1 upon x plus 1 plus 1 upon x plus 3 plus 1 upon x plus 3 bracket square. That is what you got, right? Now nextly you have to take the integration of, in a third part you have to take the integration of this left side, 0 to 1, 2 upon x plus 1 and x plus 3 whole bracket square, means integration of this is dx actually. So 0 to 1 whole 1 upon x plus 1 bracket square minus 1 upon x plus 1 plus 1 upon x plus 3 plus 1 upon x plus 3 bracket square and dx. Okay, so simply here all this part on the right hand side. So this can be solved through x raised to n formula. So we have a integration of x raised to n dx, means it's a x raised to n plus 1 divided by x raised to n plus 1, right? That's the formula, isn't it? And for this one, integration of 1 upon x dx means ln of x plus c, right? For this one. Okay, so see here, I will solve for this part. You will be having x plus 1 raised to negative 2 plus 1 divided by negative 2 plus 1. Okay, that's it. Fine. Then for this one, negative ln of mod of x plus 1. Then for this one, it's a positive ln of x plus 3. Okay. Then for this one, we have a x plus 3 raised to negative 2 plus 1 divided by negative 2 plus 1. It's an integration, okay? And we have a 0 to 1 integration, right? And now it's a very important step, that is you have to put the value 0 to 1 and solve them, right? So when you put actually 0 here, first you have to put 1, right? So here in a first part, 1 plus 1, right? So 1 plus 1 raised to negative 1, right? And we have a negative 1, means negative 2 plus 1, it's a negative 1, right? Then ln of just a 1 plus 1, right? Plus ln of here 1 plus 3, right? And plus here actually 1 plus 3 raised to negative 1 divided by negative 1. Okay, this is first part, right? Then nextly negative is 0 you have to put now, that is 0 plus 1 raised to negative 1 divided by negative 1 ln of just a 0 plus 1, then plus ln of 0 plus 3, then plus 0 plus 3 raised to negative 1 divided by negative 1. Okay, now when you solve this whole thing, you will get negative 1 by 2 for this one. Okay, I'm solving this part. Okay, then negative ln of 2, right? Plus ln of 4 plus actually here negative 1 by 4. Okay, when you solve this part, getting it? Here it's just a, and even along with that, just to multiply this negative sign. So negative negative positive 1. Okay, then negative negative here positive again, and ln of 1 is ln 1, then negative and positive negative ln 3, right? So then nextly here negative and this negative positive and 1 upon 3, right? So when you simplify this again here, negative 1 by 2, negative 1 by 4, take this positive 1 by 3, plus here we have a 1, right? Okay, I will rather write like this, 1 plus 1 upon 3. Okay, then we have a negative ln 2, positive ln 4, then ln 1 is just a 0. Okay, then negative ln 3. Getting it? So when you solve this part, you will straight away you will get the answer 7 by 12. Put in the calci, you will get the straight answer. Fine. And for this one, you have a ln of wherever there is a negative sign, take it at a denominator place, 2 times 3. Okay, and positive sign is there, just take a, wherever there is a negative sign, take it at a denominator, and positive sign, take it at a numerator. Okay, so here 2 times 2 is 4, so 7 by 12 plus ln of 2 over 3, and that is what you have to do here. Now in the question, actually if you look at here question, it's a negative 3 by 2 is there. Okay, and we are getting positive by 3. So just take this 3 to the numerator and 2 to the denominator and change the sign. That's it. So 7 by 2 minus ln of 3 by 2. That's it. That is the answer. So this was very lengthy question. If you like this video, share with your friend, and to know the better tips and tricks to get the good grades, you can contact us in our tuitions, and I have left in a contact in the description box. That's it. Take care. Bye bye.